Hello everybody. I'm glad to share my experiences with attending Mr. Azlan's talk on the vegan plant-based diet. The event that we had, and he has educated us, and he's very informative about why it's so important to eat vegan and have a plant-based diet. Why is because as you know, there's an increase in cardiovascular diseases, right? And cancer, and also stroke, and also diabetes. So I think adopting a more healthy diet will be good for our overall health. It will also benefit our microbiome. It helps reduce inflammation, and also the kind of nutrients we can get from eating plant-based, the vitamins, the phytochemicals. Once again, I thank Mr. Azlan for sharing with us his knowledge. And Viva plant-based diet or Viva vegan diet. Thank you.
Well, this Azlan, the explanation of those nutrients and all is very, very informative, and I learned a lot. I believe everyone can be benefited if you want to keep yourself very healthy and live life healthy life. Yeah, this is one of the information that you need to know. I believe I will go and attend more of Azlan. I would like to attend more of his talks. I had bought this seaweed product from seaweed and the dry herb from Azlan since I think 1 month ago. I enjoy so much because I already replaced all my other spices, and I bring along with me every dishes I order. I will put in spices, and it is so nice so tasty, and according to Azlan, it is also very, very a lot of nutrients. So that make my life, I really enjoy it, and also I believe I will become healthier, very much healthier than my age, and I become very much happier. That's the main thing I achieve, healthier and happier, and at the same time I do a lot of things to keep myself very healthy, I believe. Yeah, thank you so much, Azlan.
if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
Anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.